Hey, what is going on guys, Cesar here. So in this video I'm going to talk about the affiliate e-commerce store from Tai Lopez. As you can see on the screen, these are the topics, but right now I'm going to scroll down because they have here a new upgrade. And this is a one-time offer for $29.99. So his team is going to build 2 stores instead of 1, and they're going to model that store after Pier 1 and 3 Barn. So we're going to access guide, and I'm going to show you what it's all about this new. Okay guys, this is the next page. As you can see in the screen, they are building my store, and I need to schedule a call with Tai's team. Here we have a video, and over here we can choose the day and the hour. By the way guys, I have a free affiliate marketing training. If you want to get access, the only thing you need to do is click the link in the description. So right now guys, I'm going to show you my Tai Lopez account. As you can see on the screen, this is the e-commerce academy. So we have e-commerce academy, an overview, frequently asked questions, and first steps. Month 1, intro to online business. Month 2, the 4 pieces of marketing. Month 3, growing your business, the other 3 pieces of business. And month 4, bringing it all together. If you want more updates about my store guys, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon. Bye.